Anger is like hunger. It emerges like hunger and just wants to fulfill its appetite immediately, irrespective of the situation. Anger emerges because there is some reason behind it. There is some reason always. Anger can never occur unnecessarily. There will always be a reason behind anger, such as a situation, someone's words, someone's expressions. Anger rises intermittently. Anger itself tries to stop itself because the conscience is attacked by its consequences. That is why up to a point it tries to stop, to a limit, because every person is fully and predestined with the outcome of anger. The mind also knows about serious outcomes of anger, which leads to worsening of the situation rather than improving to an unknown extent. But rarely anyone can protect himself from this situation, from those hurting words, from those expressions. It is important to understand what we really think is the reason for anger. Can these be the real reasons for anger indeed? Or in the same way, our mind is being unnecessarily distressed by concluding on its own, or our ego is being hurt. But if you understand the cause of anger and what fuels the anger, then all the chaos will be over. The cause of anger is a situation such as a desire, a situation such as an obstacle arising against a desire and denial of that situation. For example, if you are willing to spend a few moments peacefully and at the very moment someone created a disturbance or obstruction against that desire, often it is not acceptable to the ego. Suppose you have just returned home tired of the office, and as you entered the door you have been told to go to the market. You are going by motorcycle humming and suddenly someone hits you lightly. Whatever age we may be, we often face such situations. These interruptions, those arose suddenly against the desire, does it not usually create anger in the mind? The reason for anger is the clash of egos. And what is the catalyst of anger? Words and thoughts. The moment anger begins to emerge within us, the turbulent mind begins to form some words within us, even if we do not want to. And then many thoughts are born. These words and the thoughts that arise from them become the fuel of that anger. These words and thoughts nourish the anger, and we empower and strengthen anger ultimately.